Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making hamburger gravy. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of beef stock, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of half and half, 1/2 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 small onion, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Using medium heat, bring a skillet to temperature, then add your ground beef and onion. Now season your meat with your salt and pepper and continue to brown. Now add your butter. Now sprinkle in your flour and mix well. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please head over to soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Pour in your beef stock and half, then mix until well combined. Season with your onion powder and garlic powder and mix, then allow it to simmer for 5 minutes or until your gravy has reached your desired thickness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.